ability to cook with perfect results every time, expanding your culinary repertoire, mastering any dish or technique with joy and confidence. Introducing Heston Q. It's smart cookware with embedded temperature sensors. It's a smart induction burner that communicates with your smart cookware and an app. Not just any app, the Heston Q app with video-guided recipes and precision temperature control of the smart cookware and burner for a truly seamless cooking experience.
The great thing about this recipe is that with the control of the pan, we're able to get a nice crispy skin without it sticking.
To get started, choose from an ongoing library of hundreds of chef-tested recipes, from grilled cheese to weeknight meals to scallops. Q helps you plan for any meal or occasion. Select the number of servings, and the app then estimates cook time and lists the ingredients and equipment needed. Anyone, from beginners to seasoned cooks, will learn new skills and techniques through step-by-step video-guided instruction from Q's team of accomplished chefs.
Try to make sure that the side muscle isn't on there. It's a very tough texture.
As you cook on the Q, the smart cookware, smart induction burner, and recipe app work together to automatically control the pan temperature and timing of each recipe step. The app will tell you when to put your ingredients in the pan, when to flip them, and when to take them out. Goodbye guesswork. Q's additional features let you customize the cooking experience, personalize the dish using the mix and match feature, or use control mode to cook without a recipe at the ideal temperature using our integrated temperature guide. For stress-free proteins, just tell the app what you're cooking, the thickness, and your desired doneness. And the app will calculate the cook time and temperature precisely. Done, but not overdone.
Maybe you're the type to hit 5,000 steps before 8 a.m. Or you rarely miss a week of meal prep. Either way, what do you have that diligently counts your calories or adds up your proteins? Try this, the Etekcity Smart Nutrition Scale. Every measurement reads loud and clear on the LCD screen. Making room for the next weigh-in? Wipe your stainless steel slate clean. It's easy to see why this smart scale has gotten some industry love. Though it's a smart scale, it's totally functional on its own. So go ahead and weigh items, change units, and tare measurements. But when you hook it up to the free VSync app, that's when you get those extra smarts. Cumin, carbs, a handful of kale. Have at it. It's all in the USDA database for over 8,000 items. Set daily nutrition goals, whether you're going for 2,500 calories a day or half of that. Ditch the pen and paper. Let VSync's diary feature track all your eats. From breakfast to lunch to dinner to all the snacks you're honest enough to record. VSync is the genius behind it all. It's completely free and compatible with iOS and Android. Not to mention, it supports many other smart offerings. For example, want detailed measurements for your body too? Step onto an Etekcity Smart Fitness Scale. 13 body calculations give you a comprehensive analysis. It's good for unlimited users, and it works with any Fitbit, Apple Health, and Google Fit tag-alongs as well. So whether it's 10,000 steps, 1,200 calories, or just an extra eye on what you're eating, we know you're in pursuit of the best. We are too. Etekcity, powered by VSync.
Looking for an easy, more economical, and faster way of preserving your fresh food or ingredients? If yes, no worries. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer is perfect for you. Introducing the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer, an innovative solution to food preservation. Designed with a fully automatic simple electric plug with its control center placed on the top panel and soft touch digital buttons along the LED indicator lights. Specifically designed to provide the best of sealing possible based on the type of food you want to seal. You can choose the dry indication for solid food items and the moist indication for poached, simmered, or steamed food. For the best of perfect sealing, all you need to do is enclose your food material you want to seal. Place it carefully in the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer, press firmly to join the two edges together, press the Vacuum Seal button, and wait for a couple of minutes to get sealed. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer has been laboratory tested and proven to preserve food up to 5 times longer than zipper baggies and other containers. No better way of preserving your food other than the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer. Order for your NutriChef.
Introducing the Nutribullet, the superfood nutrition extractor. With the Nutribullet, you can turn ordinary food into superfood. Watch. Just load your ingredients into the cup, twist on the extractor blade, pop it onto the power base, and watch how the Nutribullet blasts ordinary foods into superfoods in an instant. Then just separate, give it a quick rinse, and you're ready to go again in seconds.
It emulsifies fruits and vegetables so well that I feel them go right into my system. I feel those ingredients immediately.
I am thrilled to death by the change in my health and how I feel. It's the combination of the fruits, the vegetables, and all the vitamins that are all being emulsified together. It works.
Nutribullet is different because it extracts all the nutrients from the fruits and vegetables and nuts. And I think everybody should do it because you just feel great.
The Nutribullet system is built to last, made from quality construction, and is protected by a full 1-year warranty.